Snow Day 2012. It's February the 8th, and this is the first time driving down my street that I actually was concerned, even though it's a four-wheel drive, super handling all-wheel drive, they may not make it up the other side of the hill. So I'm doing my best. Either I get home or this is going to end up on YouTube. Here we go. Let's get it on. Looking for the tracks that someone's already created. Got them so far. Actually, these are the ones that I just made coming up the hill. Crossing over. Look at that. No snowplow has been on this virgin snow.
Southern Ontario's best rock, 97.
Here we go. There's the hill.
They're in Guelph tonight.
Do my best.
The show is a go, and it's a bitch of a drive to get there. Tony was on her Facebook page. It's a slow go, but she's going to see the hit.
Come on, you mother. Come on.
Spring train's coming
Fight,
up.
fight,
Here's
fight,
Billy
fight.
Talent. Surprise, surprise, 97.7 Hits FM.
Nope, got stuck.